Hi everyone, this is Lee Nelson, Tech Integrationist, Computer Science Specialist at Indian Mountains Elementary, and today I'm going to be telling you more about distraction-free mode, which is an extension inside of Chrome that can help you reduce some of the visual clutter when you are sharing your screen to other staff or perhaps to other students when you are presenting in a Google Meet. So as you can see, I'm already in the Chrome Web Store, which is where you're going to get the extension for distraction-free mode. I've already added it, but you'll click on a little button to add it to Chrome. Once you've done that, you'll see in the upper right, next to any other extensions you have, the little icon right there. Now that icon simply rests there. The controls for distraction-free mode in my demonstration can be found when you're actually on a Google Doc, such as this one right here. And next to the title of your Google Doc is the distraction-free mode icon and control. You simply click on that. And what that's going to do is it's going to reduce a lot of the things that were visually perhaps in the way of people who are seeing your screen. And then you simply can click on that again to exit. Now there are some other controls you might want to play around with, but for this purpose and demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and exit. So I can also show you what this looks like in a Google Slides. And again, we see the icon right next to our title. We have all the preview thumbnails right here of other slides, but if we were to click on our distraction-free mode icon, we get just the content of that slide. Now you can still control the slide deck, the whole slide deck with your arrows like you normally would, and I can exit as I did before. Now the true power of distraction-free mode happens when you are inside of a Google Meet. So let me just do a couple things here real quick to get ready for sharing that with you. Now there are many ways to do things with technology, of course. I'm going to be showing you one way that I like to do it, which is to have the content of what I'm going to be sharing my screen with over in one window, while I also have my Google Meet in another window. That way I can still see my participants. I might be able to monitor something in the chat, and I still have a sense for what's going on in my Google Meet without me directing what my content is over here and then kind of being blind to what's happening in my Google Meet. So I like to do a side-by-side window. And with that, when you do present, you always have the three options. What is best for this to reduce the most amount of clutter will be to click on a Chrome tab. And if I didn't say it before, I'm guilty of always having too many tabs open, and I know that many of you are too, so I like to have just the things I'm presenting, my Meet and my presentation items over here. So let me just go ahead and choose that tab. Now the one thing I can't show you in this demonstration, because I can't quite do that many screens, is to show you what this will look like on the side of the people watching my Google Meet or being a part of it. So as I'm presenting everyone, again, I can still see participants or maybe see what's going on in the chat. When I'm presenting this particular tab, if I am to click on our distraction-free mode icon, what they're going to see is just the content of that document. They're not going to see any tabs that I have open. They're not going to see any titles of the document or any of the menu items. They're just going to see the content of that one. So if I were to jump over to this tab right here and tell my Google Meet that I want to share this tab instead, I could again use my distraction-free mode icon to simply have them see just that slide. And again, that's going to reduce the visual clutter of all the other things or any of the other thumbnails of slides coming up, and give the people in my Google Meet a chance to just see the parts that I want. So that is distraction-free mode. I hope that that helps in your Google Meets as you are sharing things with other staff or other students. And if you have any questions, reach out to your tech integrationist at your building. But thanks for watching this video. Hope that you learned something new.